In this video, we're going to go over the Appointment Manager. This is great for doctor's offices, any business that has to remind people that they have appointments. Veterinarians, doctors, auto dealers, oil change places. So there's 3 ways that we can set or create appointments. Let's just go to the Create New. See, this is really straightforward. I'm going to say that we're going to set an appointment for tomorrow. Today's the 17th of September, so tomorrow at 5 o'clock, 5:15, we're going to send the notification 3 hours before the appointment. We're going to give people plenty of time. You can pick whatever you like, or you can choose to send it now, and I'll go over that after I create this one. You'll put a mobile number in here, and it will, if that mobile number is on an opt-in list you already have, it will just auto-populate and fill in the name and the last name. Now you'll see here, I'm not going to put in a mobile number because it will pull in my number. That's the only one, and you can't put a fake number in here, the system knows. So you'll see that we have 3 kinds. We have just a reminder where you would type SIDS Auto, your vehicle is scheduled for an oil change today at and this is, we're only doing 1 person. We could save this message as a template and just change the time. So let's change it to, let's create a template. We'll call it oil. Just call it oil. Okay, so now we could use it over. We don't have to type this again and again. We also have merge tags, so we can copy the person's first name. We can put that in here. And we could, so it would be first name, comma, let's make that lowercase now. Let's update our template because we made a change. It's going to update for us, which is really nice. Okay, so when a person responds, we want them to go to this list. If you would like to have a cell phone number notified, you can type it in there. Now, when you hit save, it will create it. I'm not going to because I can't without a mobile number. So I'm just going to put my mobile number in, and then I'll pause the video while I do that, and I'll save it. So now I'm going to save it. So this is what I see, and I'm going to confirm it. Then I get a message that my appointment was scheduled successfully. Yay! So I'll go back to the appointments because I want to show you something. Okay, you'll see on this page that I've got these. And what I did was I typed all these messages in. So when someone's typed C to confirm, put in whatever message you like. And remember that whatever phone number you put in will be tap to call, or will be clickable. And you can scroll through the days to see the appointments that you've already set up. Now, if you want to create a bunch of them at one time, so say you're a doctor's office and you get all these, you can set the defaults for the day. So we'll say that I'm going to be creating appointments for tomorrow. That would be 1 day in advance. I want all the notifications to be 1 hour before or 3 hours before. I want to send that long message so they get all the choices. I'm going to use this template. I want them to be added to that opt-in list. Now globally for this day, I've created all those settings. So now all I have to do is type in. Everybody's already on an opt-in list for me. So when I start typing in a name, it will bring it up. I'm not going to do it again because it'll bring up my phone number because I'm the only one in here. But you'll see. If you do that, it'll start bringing in names. You just put them in the correct time. If they're not auto-generated, you'll just type them in if they're not on the list. Okay, then you're going to save them all and submit. And of course I submitted nothing, but let me show you what you get when you do that. So let's close this out. You can see on this day I've got a whole bunch, and it tells me what confirmation type, the time, and that's basically what happens. You can go and look at any date and see if you have appointments scheduled. So this is how you can manage them. You can edit, you can delete them. There's one more way to create appointments, and that's to upload a CSV file. Basically they give you a template, you download it, you make sure that you input all your information in the exact same format, you save your file as a CSV file, you upload it, and boom, you've created a bunch of appointments. Okay, on this page we're going to go over why you would use a sending now to blast out to a list. And this would be a notification or a reminder. And you would use it, let's say a doctor's office could use it to schedule vaccinations, or a vet's office to schedule worming for, let's say it's worming season, I don't know, or a car dealership, summer's coming, it's time to check your AC. And this auto dealer would blast it out to their entire list and send it now. And that's basically it. So that's one more reason, one more way you can use the appointment manager.